Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this myo-inositol D-chiro powder supplement from Theralogix. Now, if you are someone with PCOS, you have probably been recommended to take this supplement. It's at the top of my list of recommendations myself. Ovasitol is great because it contains both myo-inositol and D-chiro in the 40:1 ratio. Now, this supports hormonal and ovarian health, and it can even assist with lowering insulin levels. Since taking this, I have noticed my symptoms for PCOS decrease, and my periods have become more regular with less clotting, which was huge for me. Even if you don't have PCOS, it can help you with your cycle and the hormonal health as it has with mine. I take it twice a day, and so it's so easy to take. When it's stirred, it becomes completely clear and you don't taste anything except a very slight sweetness. The bottle, as it says, lasts about 90 days. And while it's more expensive than I'd like to pay, to me, the price is worth it for the help it gives my body. So if you're on the fence, I really do recommend trying it. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.